Solid Edge continues to accelerate the design process by providing powerful tools to help digitally validate designs and build better products in less time by front-loading the simulation process. Starting with the generative design study, which will help optimize the weight and material usage for this cast-to-reel component. After creating a new study and defining the loads and constraints, we have the new ability to define the maximum displacement for a point on a given face. This helps guarantee the model has the appropriate amount of stiffness in a given direction. Also, planar symmetry is a new shape constraint that optimizes the model across 1, 2, or 3 orthogonal planes. This ensures the optimized model will result in the best possible symmetric design. Viewing the results, we can see that both sides of the model are identical to the planar symmetry constraint. Selecting the Show Stress option gives immediate feedback on the areas of high stress concentrations so that we can adjust our model if necessary. The optimized generative design is a unique hybrid model that combines b-rep and mesh geometries, which can be sent directly for additive manufacturing. Moving to structural simulation, Solid Edge now supports the ability to analyze these hybrid mesh and b-rep models. This allows us to easily validate the results of the generative study by applying the same loads and constraints to a new study. The body mesh option, which is now available in the part assembly and sheet metal environments, has some new options which allow the resulting mesh to be simplified and improved by defining parameters such as the number of points around a circle. In addition to producing a good quality mesh, it provides automatic geometry cleanup of small faces and edges. After solving, we can analyze the model and see that areas of high stress match the results we saw during the generative design study. A new check element quality command has been added, enabling us to view and report any poor quality elements created when meshing. There are 14 Nastran quality checks available. Here we're checking the tetrahedral aspect ratio, or ratio of longest to shortest element edge. Selecting Show Elements highlights and displays the warning and error elements in the model, as well as generating a report containing a summary of error elements. There are no errors in our mesh, but a few warning areas could be improved in a future study if needed. A great usability enhancement is the ability to reuse an existing mesh. Here, we'll duplicate our study and bring the mesh with us. We want to test the model again, but with a higher load this time. By reusing the mesh, we are able to save valuable time by not having to remesh the same geometry. This enables us to quickly run multiple iterations of our study, ensuring the design meets all of the necessary requirements. Solid Edge further enhances our robust simulation capabilities, saving valuable design time and reducing material and testing costs.